1 and 1b. I open new chapter, chapter 5, hypothesis test. It is also important chapter in statistics, which is very much related to previous chapter estimation. Okay, let's see. Hypothesis test. That is as familiar in everyday life as estimation. In statistics, hypothesis testing refers to the process of determining the validity of a claim, argument, or description statement about a parameter. Okay? When formulating hypothesis about a population parameter, two types of hypothesis there. Null hypothesis, the other one is alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is a set, generally, contents of new claim, contents that is of interest, or contents that differs from previously known information. You understand these wordings? Okay. Let me take some examples later today. Okay. Anyway, the contents of null hypothesis is typically established as the opposite of alternative hypothesis. For example, in a courtroom trial of defendant A, it is, let me say, suspect, murder suspect, okay, A. The contents of alternative hypothesis would be A is criminal. Alternative hypothesis is A is criminal, while the null hypothesis would be A is not the criminal. Why? The presumption of innocence principle. That's why H0, no, not yet. Null hypothesis is A is not criminal. Okay? Null hypothesis is expressed as H0. Alternative hypothesis is H1. Get it? Let's see some examples. We have a biased coin. Okay? Since it is biased, we have some question. We raise a question. Probability of heads coming up is not 0.5. Understand that? Because it is biased coin. If it is very new coin, then nobody has that kind of a question, because it is the probability of heads is 0.5. So what is the problem raised? This one. Probability of head is not equal to probability of tail. Is not equal to. So we say two-tailed, two-sided test. This one is not equal to. The H0 null hypothesis is what? Probability of head and probability of tail is equal. It is, we know, it is for normal case, for normal coin. Second, when a claim is made, the waiting time at a certain counter is more than 5 minutes, average of 5 minutes. So what? H1 would be mu greater than 5. H0 will be mu less than equal to 5. This, we say this type of hypothesis is one-tailed test, right-hand side, right-tailed test, because we want to know mu is bigger than, greater than 5. Right. This is not good. Good one. 0.5 greater than 5. H1. And the opposite hypothesis, H0, would be mu less than equal to 5. Okay, one more example. In case of hypothesis testing regarding the claim that lifespan of a certain electronic device does not reach 2,000 hours, then the question, claim is this. H1, okay, alternative hypothesis would be mu less than 2000. The other side is H0. This also one-tailed test, left-tailed test. So in hypothesis equality sign, okay, is only included in the null hypothesis. It is also say some base of a hypothesis test. This is because hypothesis testing process is conducted under the assumption that the contents of null hypothesis is correct. So this is a note for hypothesis test process. You get it? Okay, let's stop here today, and we'll see some more next times. Thank you. Bye.